If you're needing a website and a way of tracking the value of your berry, bone, leash, or even Shiba, check out ApeBoard.Finance. I use this to literally do strategy sessions and finding out exactly what my value is. And let's go ahead and talk about it right now. My name is Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. ApeBoard.Finance, all you need is and I'll go over here, is your address. All you need is this address here that's connected with your Shibaswap. So this is my wallet connect account. So all I have to do is copy this and go to ApeBoard.Finance, and I will show you right now. Go to ApeBoard and then put it right in there. That's all I got to do. That's all I got to do. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Go, and I go all the way down. So I'm only looking at burying the assets in terms of the value. We're not gonna look at the farming because the numbers are a little bit off in terms of percentages. But I noticed that when you go to your berry, it doesn't necessarily show you the value of your berry tokens. This is the prime example. It's not showing the value. If I go to my other wallet and go to my Coinbase wallet, my bigger wallet, it doesn't really show me that. So, but on here, if I click on Leash, it shows me the price per leash. Now the price per leash is off a little bit. Hold on here. So price per leash, it says 12.31 in Shibaswap, and ApeBoard says 12.43. So it's off a little bit. It's not necessarily completely accurately, but it gives you a close enough number for you can work with. So this leash is valued at $6,223, and we have 5 leashes, and we plan to add at least to get about 5 more leash in my portfolio. Now, this is another thing I'm going to look at. I'm going to look at my Shiba. I have this month's Shiba. Now, the price, it says Shiba because Shiba is priced at this. So it's a bunch of zeros that's in there right now. So it's going to show the price of 0. Basically, we know it's not 0, but 0 dot a bunch of zeros and a couple of digits. Now, this is the balance I have. And if I go to the balance of the Shibaswap, it's very similar. It's very similar. It's off by a little bit, but it gives me some indication exactly what the value is based off that price. So $13,000 is the value of my Shiba. And another area, let's go to Bone. Now, you may not have Bone, Leash, and Shiba. If you're watching this video, you may only have Shiba, and that's fine. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. You know, have a plan. And one of those plans is, what do you want to accomplish with all this Shiba? Because there are going to be some good things ahead if you're willing to wait, accumulate, and not financial advice, and have fun along the way. Now, Bone is $2.298. If I go to the Shibaswap, it is off by a little bit. If I go to Bone here, Bone, I'm just matching it. And Bone is $2.16. This is $2.29. So it's off about a little bit, but that's okay. That's okay. It's not completely accurately, but it's close enough to me. And that's the balance based off this of my total Bone, 1,100, and we have the value of 2,546 in terms of the value. Now, ApeBoard.Finance is really easy to use. It's use this as a strategy, not financial advice, but at least give you something to work with. Because if I go to my Shibaswap, it does not tell you my value when I'm burying my bones. And that's a little frustrating. I definitely understand that. And there are other websites other than ApeBoard.Finance that give you that information. Now, it's not even loaded up in the Bonefolio yet. So it's not even loaded up there yet as well. So I want to see how much my value is. This at least gives me something to work with. And then it gives me a combined total of exactly what I have. Look at this right here, 13,006. And I can just do the math with my calculator, exactly how much this is working with. So that's how you do this. We just focus on the berry bone value. That's all we focusing on. I go back and forth to see if it's correctly or what's off. And then that determines me my next move in my operation. So let me go ahead and close this, go back to here, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification for more videos just like this. And in the comment line, Put in down there what videos you like to see, what are you having trouble with, and what type of things we can do very slowly. Is it other tutorials? Is it something you're thinking about? If it's a problem we haven't, put it in the comment line. We'll do a video about it, or we'll do a stream session to talk about it. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next video. Captain Inu signing off.